Hey everyone! Let's dive into some quick wealth hacks to level up your financial game in 2024. First off, focus on coding, digital marketing, or copywriting. These skills are in massive demand, and you can often learn them online for free or at a low cost. Next up, set up an automatic transfer to a high-yield savings account every payday. You won't miss what you don't see, right? Now let's talk about start with low-cost index funds. They're a great way to diversify your portfolio without needing a finance degree. Apps like Robinhood or Wealthfront make it super easy to get started. Don't forget about platforms like Upwork or Fiverr can help you monetize your skills. Whether it's graphic design, writing, or even video editing, there's a market for everything. Another powerful strategy is attend industry events, join LinkedIn groups, and connect with like-minded professionals. You never know when a new opportunity might come knocking. Also, review your monthly subscriptions and cancel what you don't use. It's amazing how much you can save by just being more mindful. Finally, invest in. Read books, take online courses, and listen to podcasts about personal finance and investing. Knowledge truly is power when it comes to building wealth. So there you have it. Implement these hacks and get ready to see your wealth grow in 2024. Remember, the best time to start is now. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living your best life. Catch you next time.